Every single time we're doing something, they're staring up in my face.
And it's like, okay, so they came back and did
it's like,
backwards.
okay.
They did it. They came back.
Honestly, some of them, they're closed.
Yeah. We came over here to, yeah. We came here to vlog us going into Village Sensations, and they're over here locking up everything while we're trying to get ready to start this vlog. They're over here locking up the stuff. Yo, you think they're gonna let us in for no? Hey guys, it's your girl Carmise. Welcome back to my channel. Alright you guys, today me and my bestie, we're going on a little adventure today. You feel me? So the first one that we came to is Village Sensations, and and as you guys can see, they are closed. You feel me?
Nah, they just
closed because they just closed because we were over here getting ready, trying to look cute for the vlog, and we've probably been here for a good 20 minutes. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know how long we've been sitting here.
Don't tell me 20 minutes. It was like
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
I don't know. We was just sitting here getting ready, and next thing you know, the guy's coming out here pulling down the, what's it called? The logs. He
locked that bitch up. That's all I know. He locked it up. So
they locked up the store. I'm not sure if it's even still open. I mean, the sign still say open. Should we take a chance? The sign, it still says open. Wait, they locked it?
It is locked, honey.
It's over. But yeah, you guys, we're actually gonna be going out to eat tonight. We're going, to a hibachi spot. Me and my best friend. My best friend and I. We're gonna get some sake shots.
Sake.
And yeah, but before, we gotta get a little lit. You feel me? So we're gonna go to the liquor store right now. We're gonna get us a few shots, and yes, baby. So we'll see you guys once we get there. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure you guys turn your post notifications to every single time we upload her videos. And do me a favor and follow my bestie on Instagram.
Hey,
she's effortless. You feel me?
You know, honey.
Follow sis on the gram. Follow me at _Carmise. And yeah, do that. We'll see you guys at the liquor store. Found a hibachi spot that we're gonna be going to tonight. So we made reservations for 9 o'clock. You feel me? But yeah, it's Nico Hibachi Sushi and Lounge in White Plains. So that's where we're going to tonight, you guys. We about to get lit. You feel me? We about to get lit. I haven't had like hibachi, like where the people's making the food in front of you. That's what hibachi is, right? Or is it like the food style?
The food style and them making it in front of you.
Yeah, it all comes like together. So yeah, that's gonna be my first time experiencing that tonight. And yeah.
It was like fuzzy.
It's fuzzy?
Yeah, on the inside.
This one's starting to get fuzzy, but
alright, we gotta get moving.
We have reservations at 9 o'clock, and
alright, let's go.
It's about to be 8 o'clock, so baby, we gotta hurry up. And I cannot be wearing this. Huh? Is it? Yeah, because we about to go out, and I'm not feeling this outfit, so we're gonna have to make something do. Of course, my keys in my car. It's a little chilly too. It's dead, not summer no more. All right, you guys. We got the keys, we got the wallet, we got the mask, we got the Crocs, and yeah. We should do a thumbnail right here. A thumbnail, because the lighting, Wait, hold on. Anyways, you guys, we are here at the liquor store. You feel me? Girl, you're walking fast. I can't keep up. My finger hurts. My finger's hurting right now. I thought we was getting shot. So we're just gonna get some shots off the shelf. We get 2 shots of chata, the Baileys.
The plain or the colada?
Which one? Oh, we'll get one of each.
That's 1076.
I'm trying to catch up to my friend, you guys. Alright, we got the liquor in the back, you feel me? We better get let the fuck down. I said let the fuck down. We better get let the fuck out tonight, you feel me? Yeah. Alright, you guys, we made it to the restaurant. Our reservations is gonna be canceled in like 5 minutes if you don't get inside. I'm just waiting on my best friend right now. And yeah, this is how we looking like, baby. Feel me? Just got on a simple black crop. Why wouldn't they? We're on time. They said once it's 9:15, that's it. But we made it. We made it, baby. This is where we go. Hi. We have reservations at 9 o'clock for Amanda. Huh? It was at 9. No reservations.
Yeah, I'm thinking it's
No.
2, right?
Yes. Thank you. Alright, you guys, we made it. This is hilarious.
And my shirt keeps going down.
Alright, you guys, we just ordered our hibachi. We got chicken hibachi.
There's no way that could have, that was the worst.
Alright, you guys, we got us some Shirley Temples with some cherries. I love how they gave us some cherries because some restaurants, they don't give us the cherries.
Have you seen Game of Thrones? No.
Yo, you can see my bra. I don't like that. This is hilarious. This is awkward. This is hilarious. This is my life. I'm dead. You're beyond awkward right now.
Like the witch.
Are you from the Wait, did you even make mushrooms, which I don't eat mushrooms. We got some mushrooms and a salad, baby. Yeah. Yeah. I'm not drinking this. I'm sorry. I don't do mushrooms. I mean, maybe I'll try some shrooms. Some shrooms. Some shrooms. Huh? That salad don't look appetizing either, friend. That salad don't look appetizing, friend. Good.
I think I look crazy.
Why does he not obvious? the recording. Yeah. Cool, man. Woo, fire. Yeah, we gotta get some sake shots. Sake shots. Sake. This is the race. Oh, push play.
All right, play your now. You get ready to catch it?
That's the sake board. What the fuck? That's the sake. We're doing sake, y'all.
Come on, ladies. Come on, boy. Yeah.
Wait, he needs one. He needs one. Girl, stop with me. Girl, sake. And they're gonna try to get the white bowl inside the yeah. After that, you're gonna chug it.
So you put them in like a beat, and you put your little shot on top of the chopsticks.
Okay.
The table, and when it falls in, you drink it. You get ready.
Wait, how am I gonna do this, baby?
You're gonna say sake about 3 times. Yeah. Oh yeah, sake bomb. And you start drinking. After the 3rd time, start doing it.
Baby.
Let me do it. Let me do the papers. Yeah. Okay, listen to me, okay? Listen to me. When I say, don't hit the table now, okay? When I say sake, you say boom. I say sake, boom. Sake, boom. Right? Sake, boom, 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 okay? Okay. You ready now? Ready now? Ready. Sake! Sake!
Just dump it in there. Just dump it in the beer and chug. Chug. That's it. That's all you gotta do. There we go.
Okay, ladies. Oh, thank you, yeah.
I'm ready.
All right, here. Oh, anybody want to try catch it again? Open your mouth and catch it, okay? All right?
Wait, what's happening? Oh, okay. I thought you were doing one song. Okay. Now they're going to vegetables now.
Right.
But where my vegetables at?
Thank you.
That'll be a single bag.
Please, one time more. Okay, good.
I'll be going back in there to tell them thank you for the sake shots. Oh, should they come out here? Oh, we wanted to say thank you for the sake.
Oh, don't worry about it, guys. We hope you had a great time.
Thank you. That shit is fucking hilarious. That was the best experience all summer.
What's your line?